welcome to another episode of Dominating English Lessons. If you are joining us for the first time, you can click the pop-up at the top right corner of your screen to view some previous lessons. I hope you enjoy this video. This is the second lesson of the Parts of Speech series. Today we will learn about pronouns. Our objectives are to learn about subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative and reflexive pronouns. Let's begin. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Let's look at subject pronouns. These pronouns replace a subject, the person or thing, performing an action in a sentence. The subject pronoun for the first person singular is I, for the second person singular is you, and for the third person singular is he, she, or it. The subject pronoun for the first person plural is we, for the second person plural is you, and for the third person plural is they. Examples: the dog looks confused. Instead of saying the dog, we can use the pronoun it. It looks confused. Another example is, Mark will buy lunch for me today. Instead of saying Mark, we can use the pronoun he. He will buy lunch for me today. Object pronouns. These pronouns replace the subject receiving the action in a sentence. The object pronoun for I is me. The object pronoun for you is your. The object pronoun for he is him. The object pronoun for she is her. The object pronoun for it is it. The object pronoun for we is us, and the object pronoun for they is them. Examples: instead of saying Sandy called Alicia this morning, we can say Sandy called her this morning. Instead of saying Trish bought a cake for Anna and Henry, we can say Trish bought a cake for them. Instead of saying my dad will take Christina and me to the beach, we can say my dad will take us to the beach. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns help us to show possession or ownership in a sentence. There are two categories: the strong possessive pronoun or the absolute pronoun, and the weak possessive pronoun or the possessive adjectives. Absolute pronouns. These refer to a noun or noun phrase already used in order to avoid repetition. Examples: instead of saying I forgot my ruler at home, so Julia lent me her ruler, we will say I forgot my ruler at home, so Julia lent me hers. Instead of saying this is my chocolate bar, not your chocolate bar, we will say this is my chocolate bar, not yours. Possessive adjectives. These pronouns function as determiners in front of a noun to tell who something belongs to. Examples: my house is in the city. His shoes are custom made. Here is a table summarizing the subject pronouns with their strong possessive pronoun or absolute pronoun and weak possessive pronoun or possessive adjectives. Demonstrative pronouns. These are words which refer to a particular noun or group of nouns. To refer to something near and singular, we use this. To refer to something far and singular, we use that. To refer to things near and plural, we use these. To refer to things far and plural, we use those. This and that. This and that are used with singular nouns. This is used when something is close, while that is used for something farther away. This is used for something current, while that is used for something in the past. Examples: this table is broken. This job is exciting. That piano is expensive. That job was boring. These and those. These and those are only used with plural nouns. These is used for something close and current, while those is used for something farther away or in the past. Examples: these donuts are delicious. These cakes are for her birthday party. Those puppies are always friendly. Those children are reading books. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns end with self or selves. These pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Examples: I cooked dinner myself. They built the house themselves. She did the laundry herself. The reflexive pronoun for I is myself. The reflexive pronoun for you is yourself. The reflexive pronoun for he is himself. The reflexive pronoun for she is herself. The reflexive pronoun for it is itself. The reflexive pronoun for we is ourselves. The reflexive pronoun for you is yourselves. The reflexive pronoun for they is themselves. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember to click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, let's keep dominating English.